Hi, welcome back. I have fallen down a pitfall in YouTube. I have fallen into channels like Best Dress, which I love at the moment, and it makes me think,
Amy, you hate buying clothes. Why do you like fashion?
you don't like to buy clothes, you don't like spending money, and fashion's not your forte. As you can probably tell throughout all these past videos. I've worn this shirt for like 4 videos now. However, in one of the thrift stores, I did find this jacket. A giant denim jacket, and it's all fleece on the inside, but it's like a long one. It's not like hits at the waist. It normally like hits like mid-thigh, and I think it's really cute. I was gonna make it shorter, but I didn't want to mess with the length. However, I have no idea how to dress this into an outfit, so if anyone wants to help with that, comment down below. When we got home, I was like, I can't make this into a video. I've got one item of clothing, so essentially we could roll the credits here. Which means we have stuff to experiment with. So I will start from the things that I won't be like thrift flipping. I used to always steal my dad's shirts for like night dresses because I didn't want to pay for pyjamas. No one wants to do that, especially when no one's going to see him, because I'm lonely as hell.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
This is like just a shirt from Fat Face. It's not that detailed at all. It's literally like that. I have this shirt in red already. I now have too many night dresses, so this is becoming a problem. This is also from Fat Face. It's like his favourite brand, and yes, this is now a night dress too, so that's good. It's from Life is Good, which is like a tiny shop in North Conway in New Hampshire in America, so we're going to keep it as a night dress. And also another one I will not be thrifting, but it's not a night thrifting, like I will not be thrift flipping, and it's not a night dress, is this white shirt. It's literally a thermal, so I'm going to keep it as a thermal. That leaves us with 2 polo shirts and a jumper. Now, this one is quite cool. I was thinking to put it in as like the tucked in jeans style, maybe an oversized like polo dress, which I tried to style like 2 months ago. I bought one from Pull & Bear and I looked horrendous in it, so I clearly didn't get like the right memo, I didn't get the right tips, I didn't get the right style, and I looked like I forgot to get dressed or forgot to put my trousers on. I will insert a picture here. This is a shirt and it's literally just says Guinness, and it's a nice polo shirt. It's really soft. My dad used to wear this all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it a bit. This is a Disney jumper. It's from 2015, which was the last time I went to Disney. I'm going to be cropping this one. But lastly, I thought this was so cool. It's got a leaf on it. Now this is, you're probably going to be like,
Amy, that's actually disgusting. Please throw it out.
but I'm going to argue that it's actually quite cute, especially for free. So this is a massive jumper, and it literally just says Kingswood Golf Club, and it's massive, and I'm not sure if this material cuts. It literally feels like cashmere. Cashmere? Is that what it's called? I don't know. I thought this would be really cute, as I've seen this oversized trend of like just wearing really skinny jeans or something and like just wearing a massive jumper. However, I look ridiculous in it.
Whoopity-scoop, scoop-dee-dee-whoop, whoop-dee-scoop-dee-poop.
This is why it takes time to get dressed, because I'm just incompetent at doing so.
Scoop-dee-dee-whoop, whoop-dee-scoop-dee-poop, poop-dee-scoop-dee-scoop-dee-whoop, whoopity-scoop-whoop.
There's a hole in this. Oh wait, no, that's what I just cut. And I'm now keeping this as a TheraBand because that would be very, very helpful. Oh my god, it's like a little scarf. Right, can't be asked to put it on, so I want to cut this, but I'm not sure how.
Or however you can, I think it might fray.
Yeah, that's my issue. I'm not sure if I should just sew it up, because I could just like roll it up and then sew it.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I can't sew. I can't see the thing to thread it.
Well, me neither. That's why you use a threader.
Yes, a threader?
I have a threader.
That makes so much more sense. I think this is really cute. There's a mirror here. I didn't explain that. There's basically a giant mirror here, which is what I'm looking at. I actually really like that. That's so cute. I think that unbuttoned all the way for that bit of like, But yeah, I actually love that. It could be better. Can't complain for it being absolutely free. Maybe as like a school shirt to chuck on, but I'm also wearing joggers, which isn't good for the outfit aesthetic as a whole. And I'll be really honest, I'm too lazy to go and put a pair of jeans on. Ooh, okay, girl, okay. I love this colour on me. It's like a green, but it's not a green, if that probably makes no sense. So maybe if I have it at this length, it'll be nice. So, I mean, it's not the most flattering, definitely, but I don't think it was ever meant to be, and that's just the true tea on this channel. Love that. Like, that's just all cute. Oh, I always bang my leg on something whenever I try to do something dance related. So overall, oh, my denim jacket. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Oh my god. Okay, wait a minute. I'm back. Okay, this sleeve I think is broken, but I'm not quite sure how one breaks a sleeve. I'm not going to cut this, A, because it's denim and I don't have the actual strength in my hands to do so. I really feel like I need to drop my SoundCloud link whenever I wear this, but it's really long and it's not flattering at all. However, I don't aim to please anyone with my outfits, I aim to please myself. You guys can't even see the length, can you? Right, no. Okay, did that work? I hope so. So, if for whatever reason you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. If you want to see more of me, and I nearly just fell over saying that, if you want to see more of me falling over and doing weird outfit shit and all that kind of stuff, then drop a subscribe down below. And if you really like this video, why not send it to a friend? Until then, guys, I've got exams coming up, so I'm saying this as if I have an audience that care. Like, comment, subscribe, all that weird shit. Share with your friends if you hate them, and yeah, so I don't have an outro, but I think that might be it. So, okay then, goodbye.
Chillin' with a hair tie, no makeup with some sweatpants on. You know I can always be that guy.